My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the new ransomware, which is called Zouu. Zouu is a new ransomware that belongs to the DJVU ransomware family. My video guide is only for the educational purposes, though I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting it. I will just show you the damage that can be caused by this particular ransomware. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this particular Zouu ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer. Then people restart their computers and they realize that something bad has happened with their files. So the ransomware encrypts files and then adds this special Zouu extension to the file names. It is not possible to use the files anymore. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them considerably. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. We recommend you to remove this ransomware with our Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and then after the program is successfully installed, start carefully researching and investigating the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. And then at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their locations on the system. I strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your files always protected in the future from any other possible malware or ransomware attacks.